Creating a course sales page that converts is crucial if you want to turn visitors into paying customers. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to build a high-converting course sales page step by step, using proven strategies that work every time. First, you need to grab attention right away with a compelling headline. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so make sure it speaks directly to the outcome they want. Focus on the transformation your course will bring them. Instead of saying, "Learn Photoshop," try "Master Photoshop in 30 days and create stunning designs." Next, follow up with a strong subheadline that builds on your headline. This should quickly show them the benefit of your course without overwhelming them with too much information. Keep it simple and let them know what they'll get out of it in clear, no-nonsense terms. After the headline and subheadline, introduce a short, impactful video or a powerful testimonial. The video should be no longer than 90 seconds, showcasing your personality, authority, and the course's value. If you have a testimonial, it needs to speak directly to the transformation your course offers. Let your students share the results they've experienced. Now, let's talk about your course curriculum. It's important to list the modules and lessons clearly. Keep the description short and focus on the benefits of each section. Instead of listing features like Lesson 3, Advanced Photoshop Tools, reframe it to something like Lesson 3, Master Tools to speed up your design process. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not addressing objections early. Address potential concerns right away with an FAQ section or a trust building section. Answer common questions like, "What if I don't have experience?" or "How long will this take?" And always include a guarantee, like a 30-day money-back guarantee, to reduce risk for your visitors. Let's talk about social proof. If you have testimonials, reviews, or success stories, place them strategically throughout the page. This reassures your potential customers that others have successfully taken your course and seen results. Also, don't forget about scarcity and urgency. Offering a limited time discount or bonus can push people to take action now. Just make sure it's real and not a tactic that feels too manipulative. You want them to feel like they're getting in on something valuable, not being pressured. Now, let's focus on the call to action. Your CTA should stand out, be clear, and easy to understand. Use action-oriented language like "Start learning now" or "Get instant access." And place your CTA button strategically throughout the page, not just at the bottom. You want visitors to know where to click at every point in their journey. For the design, make sure the page is clean, simple, and user-friendly. Don't overwhelm them with too many distractions. Use contrasting colors to highlight important elements like your CTA button and testimonials. A cluttered page will only confuse visitors and reduce conversions. Finally, make sure your page is mobile-friendly. More than half of internet traffic comes from mobile devices, so your page needs to look great on phones and tablets. So let's quickly recap. Grab attention with a compelling headline and subheadline. Use a short video or testimonial to establish trust and showcase your course. List your curriculum with benefits, not features. Address objections up front and offer a guarantee. Use social proof, like testimonials and success stories. Create urgency with limited time offers. Include a clear, action-oriented CTA, and make sure your page design is simple and mobile-friendly. Before you close this video, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial to the software we're using in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, and it's the best way to build your course sales page the right way. Key takeaway: a high-converting course sales page focuses on the transformation you offer, establishes trust early on, addresses objections, and leads visitors smoothly to a clear call to action. With the right elements in place, you'll be turning visitors into customers in no time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab your free trial below.